Time check! Sawadee Katokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone!
Thank you.
Good morning! Good morning, Good morning, Chair Maria. I love you, Mwa.
Alam ko na. Ay, alam ko na ito. Ano siya?
Good morning, Teacher Namtan. Good morning, Teacher Tan. Morning, Teacher Namtan. Ohayo gozaimasu. And I'm done with my makeup. Ready. Let's surprise Teacher Jan later. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Teacher Jan. Mag-wish ka muna. Mag-wish ka muna. Yay!ทั้งหมดในวันนี้นะครับคุณครูนะครับนะก็จะมีนะครับนะคำนะครับหรือไวรัลนะครับ Bon appetit! Cheers! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. "14. Carrot. 11. Mean. Absent. Mind. 10. Nay Sukanya. 11. Mew. 16. Om. 16. Plang. 17. Very good. Kim. 8. 10. Kai. Absent. Okay, return the notebook to the owner. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Teacher Maria.
Have condom, have take care, do everything.
Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Smile for sure.
Saldohana. It's salary day. Teacher is very subarashi. You're so tired. Don't be tired. Gambate, gambate.
Sure, we are available.
Yes. 40,000 baht? Maybe after 2 years. Name only, not signature.
Yes. Name only?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Arigato gozaimasu. Sweldohan day! Diyos ko, Lord! Thank you so much. Ito na bibiro nagpapahappy lang sa akin. Ito na lang ang nagpapatuwa sa akin. Sa buhay. Goodbye, Teacher Ming! Jai Chen! Goodbye! Okay, what time did I... Okay. I will update you. Teacher Ming, time in, time out. Goodbye, Teacher Maria. See you tomorrow.